Disclaimer: the content here I show is only for education purposes only. I am not responsible for your actions. The views, ideas, knowledge expressed here are solely myself, and nothing to do with the company or the organization in which I am currently working.
Hello guys, you are watching Unicola, uniqueness at your fingertips. Myself Chandan, and in this video I gonna teach you how to get someone's location just by sending a link. Yes, that's possible by one website called iplogger.org. I'll be going through every step required to do so. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I would like to mention one person. That's Harya from Tamil Nadu. He's commenting good on our videos. Keep commenting on our videos, so we will feature your comments on our new videos.
Just open the browser. Now search for www.iplogger.org. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Yes, here I am searching. Yes, this website can do wonders. See here in the first section you can see URL and image shortener. Just enter any URL or link and get another shortened link, send it to your victim. That's it. I am creating a shortened link of my blog, unicoda.blogspot.com. See, my blog looks like this. Just copy it, paste it here, and click on get IP logger code. It will get redirected to another page. Yes, this is this web interface. Just click on here and select anyone you want. I will select yip.su, and here I will select .html file. You can select anything: PNG, GIF, a video file, MP4, APK, anything. This is the link. Just send this link to the victim. You can send it through email or WhatsApp or Facebook too. Let's think that this is victims tab. Victim will be redirected to this page. See, I am doing it on my own system. It's for educational purpose only. Yes, that's it. Victim has given his details now. Now if we go to our page, yes, and copy this link out here and paste it in a new tab. As soon as you go to this link, you will find such a web interface. Just translating it to English. You can use any language. Just use Google Translate, that's it. Now click on continue. See, victim's IP address, time, date, current city, map, everything has come. Operating system, web browser. If you want to see geolocation, just click on the map, you will get hit. See, I'm in Karnataka, India, and it's showing my location. That's it. There are many such websites for the same thing. I'll put it in the description. Just look for the description and click the link and you will be forwarded to that website. That's it.